students and my colleagues at work, they call me Sister Boss. And I ask them, why do you call me Sister Boss? But I like it. Because it's not like boss. It's Sister Boss, which is great. I had an interest of expanding and starting a training institute where I can train social auxiliary workers. The social auxiliary workers are auxiliaries. They are supporters of the social workers. But as I was training them, one of the biggest requirements of the course was that the learners must be placed in NGOs to get practical experience. I decided to register an NGO. So what I did was the same students I'm training in the training institute, I placed them into that NGO which I established. There is a division that does work with statutory cases. That means the Department of Social Development gave us their files of children whose parents have passed away and they are being looked after by their grandparents or whoever. And you can see that the kids are really in need of care. So we're really, really busy. As we speak, we have 250 eats. Over the years, we've been funding it ourselves. My family already knew that we have another house somewhere that we have to buy groceries for. I've got a lot of time to say, we have poverty here. Somebody's giving us tomatoes, but what if that person stops giving us tomatoes? What are we going to do? So that, for me, is the key. Outside the NGO, we have a farm. I started it with my husband's pension, with my pension. The farm supports the organization by giving what they have excess, or sometimes what we ask. Part of the responsibility of us as an NGO is to help government to create jobs. So the farm has employed 16 people. We're saying to the mother, we know you are unemployed, we know that you're asking for food, but you know what? We can give you a job for you to at least earn a little bit of money and have your dignity back. Social work is to change people's lives. What makes me even to like it more is that I have my replicas, my social auxiliary workers are starting to do what I actually would have loved to see happening, and that pleases me dearly. And that for me is community building.